Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to record a video. So first you buy Go Record. Don't worry about the other ones because I tried to record on those and it didn't work. So once you did it, you click on it and then it's gonna show something. If you wanna skip it, just click it here. But I don't know where is it because I already did. Then should pop something that's a crema. Then click on it. I can't show it right now because I'm recording. And then record a video. When you're done recording, go to YouTube and click here. And then try to find your video. And then make the name of the video, then you're done. So that's how you make a video. Goodbye.